the sponsors on the left-hand side here. I believe they're going to do the karaoke thing tonight.
Look at all of these. My stuff just came in from Cameroon, and I'm just from the, the mall or the shop to get bread. My guys, Tatina chocolate. Oh my God, look at me, so excited. Stuff from Cameroon, and this is what we're going to be having. Oh, babe. Can this thing just open? Can you help me open? Okay. We're going to be having fish this evening, and guess what? There was a Bobolo. Where is Bobo? Look at Gary. Look at Gary, guys. Look at Gary. Hi, Eru. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. My younger sister put all of this together. Thank you so much. Look at all of this. Look at this. I've not had this for a very, almost like a year. Hi. Wow. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Finally, I got all of this. Yeah. So I'm going to be making, let me just unpack this. Yeah, this is all what I got. And of course, wine. Wine to chill. Yeah. Guys, this is amazing. Look at all of this. Let me unbox. I'm all over the place. This is so exciting. I'm going to show you guys what I got. What they got for me. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. Look at all that dry fish. It's palm oil. Original. Like, it's different. It's different. This thing is different from what we have here. Look at this. We have to unpack. Are you working? What are you selling? Clover?
No, it's alright. Wow.
I want us to unpack. Guys, look at this. Batong. Sen, batong. Look at this dry fish. Woo. Hey. You wouldn't understand. Look at this dry fish. I purposely requested for this strong kanda. They call it peeling strong kanda in Cameroon. And it arrived intact. Look at all of that. Thank you for this. We got mbunga. Have you had mbunga rice before? Lots to share on this channel. Look at this.
Let me stay with you. In us, can you? Just one night. I don't know about you, your life. But tell me 'cause we still have time. I can't say I can't help you, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. I think of you every moment. I can't say I can't help you, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. There's nobody else.
You can help me pull up. As you mentioned before. Yes. Just like this, as if you go down last. Good morning, family. I hope you're well. So my day started off very early, so I had to get up so early because I got tons of stuff to do today. So I just woke up. As you can see, I am making I am cooking food or lunch, and let me show you what I'm cooking, guys. I am cooking this Cameroonian bitter leaf soup with palm oil, and I have my fish here already fried. Yep. And of course, our fufu corn. We call it here pap. So I got it ready. This is gonna last us for about 2 days. I don't want to cook tomorrow, so yeah. So I have a lot of stuff to do. I got so much to do. My schedule is tight for today. Where is my tripod? Very tight schedule. Yeah, guys, so I am done here. Turn this off. So now I'm going to take my bath. I'm going to take my shower and get the day started. Yeah, when I wake up to a clean house and I have cooked, it makes me so delighted. I take this every morning after breakfast. Vitamin C. Oh my god, guys, I'm tired. So I have a video to put up today and work. Hi guys, I slept at 2 a.m. and I was up by 6. Can you imagine? Yeah, so I finished cooking. Let me get the day started. I have a video to shoot today, so I want to make use of the natural lighting, sunlight, because I haven't gotten all my equipment. So hello guys, this is just a normal evening. I am tired. Adulthood is a scam. I have an ongoing meeting going on. It's not been easy. Hi, my god, I wish I was a 2-year-old baby just running around crying, throwing tantrums and all. It seems the more you age, the more your problems quadruples. I can't feel my waist. Can't feel my waist. I have booked for a massage for next week, and I'll have my hair braided. Yay! I'll have this hair braided because it's really getting cold here, especially the month of July. If I had money, guys, I would go for vacation out of this place. It is so cold. Yeah, so as to escape the winter. So I'm going to braid this hair next week. So you see this, I always have this cape on because it's so cold. I don't want to expose my head, you know. Is it head or hair? English. I want to pick a film on Netflix. I really don't know which one to go with. Yeah. Money Heist. I've not watched Money Heist before. Chicago Fire. I just want a movie that will just, you know, let me sleep. Yeah. Guys, let me eat. I want to invest in crypto. So I'm doing my due diligence, asking questions, attending meetings, because your girl here has been scammed before. It's a story for another day. We're gonna have a chit chat on that. As I not get high blood, it's not easy. But they say life is a risk, right? Bear the risk. I want to invest in this, but one advice is always start small. Because I was greedy and I got on a platform. I won't mention names here. and I lost a lot of money. So for this one, I'm not investing much. Yeah guys, so I just finished filming this recipe. Make sure to check it out. I'm going to leave the link up so you can check it out. So I'm having spinach and rice, spinach stew and rice, and lychee juice. I didn't finish it. This was just for video purpose. It's too much for me. This is enough for moi and my eggs. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So this is me prepping 5 phone apps that pay. So I'm just prepping my script. I'm everywhere, guys. It's horrible. Yeah, so guys, I'm just here to grab some few drinks. Yeah, it's weekend thing.
Let me stay with you. You're not you. Just one night. I know about your life. But tell me 'cause we still have time. I can't stop looking at you. But do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. I think of you every moment. I can't stop looking at you. But do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment.
My second batch of food from Cameroon just arrived. This is how I resonate or I behave when I see food. When I see food, you want to see it? Try. Look at where my younger sister put these stuffs. My goodness, this bag is funny. Okay. Palm oil, crayfish. My mom not amazing. Oh, black beans. Wow, mama. Oh. Egusi. We have more egusi. What's this? Granite paste. Mama fried granite which time say grind at me. I say granite paste here. Ndole granite again. And me and AC, we're going to kill ourselves today. Gari from Cameroon. Gari. Hey. Clean gari. We're going to start off by drinking gari this afternoon.